Today unboxing is on the new Tomica release for the month of September. We have the pair of luxurious Toyota Century in regular and first color release, the Toyota Camry Sports, and also the interesting long Tomica cattle transporter. I shall feature the cattle transporter in another video because I thought it's fun, and I also will compare the regular Toyota Century with the Tomica Limited Vintage. And now let's take a closer look at the Toyota Century in regular and first color. The Toyota Century is a luxury class comparable to a Rolls-Royce or limo that is sold domestically in Japan. This Century is also catered to the VIP and also the imperial household in Japan. Wow, this Century looks impressive. Very nice. Really love the front. I think that what impressed me the most. You can't see any Toyota logo on the Century. Instead, it features the bird logo. I think it sort of looks like the phoenix, which is a mark above the Toyota category. The black is the signature color for the Toyota Century as well. And it comes with the Tomica standard button wheels in chrome. Although the rear light is painted on the back, it still looks awesome with fine details, given that it's the main line. And this Century pairs very well with the Tomica Limited Vintage, although they are from different make. The Tomica is in 1:70 scale, which is much smaller than the TLV True 1:64. On the front, you can see that it's equally impressive and presentable. However, I'm very sad that the paint for this TLV Century has been damaged, caused by the ripple and also the high humidity weather condition in Singapore. And you can see the paint rashes and bubbling all over the Toyota Century body, which is very sad. I just spent a night to wrap partial of my TLV with tissue papers as a quick remedy, and I will upload a video shortly regarding on how to maintain your TLV. Next, the Toyota Century in first color release. Not as impressive as the black regular Toyota Century. I know the silver is also one of the signature color for this casting. I like the black. The finishing doesn't really give me a luxurious feel. And just like many other Tomica for 2019, there's no opening parts with only standard Tomica suspension. And everything else is the same as the regular release except for the body color. Next is the highly anticipated Toyota Camry Sports. Wow, nice body color and details. I like it. I think in terms of presentation, it's impressive. The blue on the body looks very premium. And just like all the Tomica for this year, there's no opening parts, with just a standard Tomica suspension. Although the rest of the features are pretty basic given that it's a mainline, I really like the curve on the casting and the overall presentation of this Toyota Camry Sports. Overall, I feel that September is really a good month for Tomica with very interesting assortment. Remember to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thanks everyone! Bye!